Welcome back, everybody. We got ourselves another episode of the Cobra Daytona build. On this episode, as you can see, all my rear suspension came in. Well, at least all the control arms. So I'm going to start scuffing all those, cleaning them, getting them ready for paint. And hopefully the next couple of days we'll get some white paint on them. I won't show you much of this because you guys have seen it many times. I may just show you a beginning and later. So you can see now it's all like that satin black. And by the time I'm done, it's going to be a pretty white, kind of like the front over here. So thanks again for watching, and as I said, this will probably be a quick video. We'll just show you before, after, and go from there. So probably not a lot, as you've seen me paint many things. All the rear suspension is now disassembled. All the zerks are taken out, all the bushings. Now it's time to just start scuffing and getting ready for paint. Won't show any of that, but yeah, a lot of work just tearing these things apart. So now the real work begins, and we got to scuff everything. So the front suspension is now hung. We're going to get some white on and clear it before it gets dark this afternoon. So it's all scuffed up, wiped down, ready for paint. So we'll get her going. I've got the couple coats of base on here. I think I want to put one more. You can still see just a little if you look in there. Just not quite covered. It doesn't cover that black very well. I should prime it first, but then I'm just adding more film thickness. So, but it's getting there. So we'll let this dry for a little bit. We'll throw one more coat of white on, and then we will clear it. So this will look nice. These things will definitely pop back there. So more to come. So the base coat is applied now. We're going to let this dry for a little bit, and then we'll come out and clear this. Looks pretty good. No real issues. Clear should go on very nice. So yeah, I'm trying not to get paint on the end of the tubes because that's going to widen this whole thing and cause it to be tight. So I may even come back through sandpaper and sand that off. So yep, clear in a few. First tack coat of clear is on. You see it's starting to get shiny, so put one more coat on, and we should get full gloss at that point, and it should flow out very well. So we're getting there. One more coat of clear, and let this dry for a couple of days. We got two good coats of clear on all the suspension pieces. It's flowing out very nicely, as you can see. So I think we're done. It should dry pretty quickly. Well, that's a quick episode. So you saw the rear suspension showed up. We've got it painted, ready to install. We'll get the bushings back in. I'm going to clean up these edges. That way we don't widen this and make it tighter. So thanks again for watching. If you like this video, please hit subscribe, and looking forward to you on the next episode.